Hi, James Kuntz, owner of Terrytown Roofing. We are knocking out this 1,500 square multifamily project. We were introduced to the property management company that also manages the property, but they also own the asset. It's a Class B asset. We did find hail damage on the property. We worked with insurance, got the roof and gutters approved, and we got this one knocked out in roughly 12 days. So this is a project that we could have completed within 2, but due to limitation of parking and other things, this has also taken a lot of prep work, right, to ensure that we're not disrupting the tenant lives and, mitigating some of that. Obviously, the roof needed to be replaced. It was on the end of its life, about a 20-year-old roof, and we got it taken care of. We're stopping the leaks, right, stopping those calls to the maintenance department, right, and getting them covered. We've got you covered.